able to secure the best pitcher in the league. Okay? Now, will her performance be able to set the tone for your defense?
Definitely. The picture is half the battle right there, and we are excited to have one of the best in the league. So we're going to support her in what she does. Our defense is going to support everything that we can do behind her, and yeah, we're ready.
Okay, I personally believe y'all will be able to get it done. So we'll see if CBR has an answer for the best pitcher in the league. Thank you.
Hello, hello, Coach Vert. I am currently here with the head coach of our current 3-0 team. I need y'all to know that 3-0 currently, haven't lost any game so far this season. So that's a bold statement coming from them that they're about to lose today. So, Coach Vert, how has this target on your back impacted your players as a whole?
I don't really think that a target is we don't have an impact. We get between the lines and we play ball. It's not about last season before that. We're out here to play today and do the best we can.
Now, speaking of today, I know you mentioned earlier when we were talking, your team's a bit short today. Do you feel like that's going to impact you in general at all?
I don't think it's an impact. Like I said, we get between the lines, we play. If we got 8, we got 11, we got 15. We're out here to play. So that's it.
Gotcha. And are you sticking to your game prediction?
You know what? Yeah, we'll stick with it. We'll stick with 8-5.
8-5. You hear that, Lady Lions Gold? 8-5. All right.
And contrary to popular belief, I think we had the best pitcher in the league.
What's the name of your best?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman, best pitcher in the league. Thank you.
Until proven wrong.
Until proven wrong. Thank you.
All right. Week 3. Lady Lions Gold is hosting CBR. Both teams are undefeated. Something got to happen here today. They're in separate divisions. Won't impact the playoff much, but both teams looking to make a statement. Turn it over to the booth.
All right, starting with Lady Lions Gold. We have their lineup starting off with Miss Mystique. Then Make Some Shake, T-Baby, Tweet, Step Up, then Tootie. Mills coming in at number 7, Gigi, Silent Storm, Spicy 2, and then ended it all off with Phoenix. For CBR, we got Baby Sniper setting it off. Then we got Fuego. Then we got Bomb coming in at number 3, Sniper, Sweet, at number 5, that's her. At number 6, number 7 coming in at Playmaker, Magic, and then ended it all off with Black Mamba. All right, we want to give a special thanks to our sponsors, Manor Food Truck, Tamar Sexual Abuse Support Group, Momentum Recovery Therapy, Go Get It Foundation, Crumsy Photography, Inspired by Grace, Ovation Electrical, Newbie Works, Elite Sisterhood, A+ Landscaping, the National Football League, Leaving a Legacy. We would not be able to help hurting people heal here at Branch Outreach Center if it wasn't for our sponsors. So we want to thank you for all that you do. If you or someone you know is interested in becoming a sponsor, head over to branchoutreach.org to become a sponsor.
Pitching for gold, legendary Tootie. She's about 55 years old now, been playing for a long time. Up the kick is Fuego in the number 2 spot. Pitcher pitches. Ball comes in with a nasty spin for a strike. No balls, 1 strike, no outs. We got a run on first. Pitcher pitches. She busts it down 3. It holds the line. Shot to 1. Bobble is called. Run is safe with aggressive base runners. You got runners on 2 and 3. You got the ball coming up the kick. She's in the 3rd spot. Looks at the first ball for a strike. She got runners in scoring position, working with no out. Top of the first. Pitcher pitches. She bunts it. Everybody hold. Bases are loaded. Legendary sniper comes up the kick. She got bases loaded, no outs. Top of the first. CBR looking to bust the game open right here. Pitcher pitches. Ball's called too high. One ball, no strikes, no outs. Bases loaded. Snipe up the kick. Ball gets away and makes it 2 balls, no strikes, no outs. Bases are loaded. We got 3 straight balls.
Double walk.
That's a double walk. 2 runs come in. Two runs come in. CBR's up 2-0. Top of the first, no out. Sweet is up the kick. She got runners in scoring position on 3 and 2. Looks at the first one for a strike. No balls, 1 strike, no out. Runners on 2 and 3. Pitcher pitches. She bunts it down 1, but it goes foul. No balls, 2 strikes, no outs. Runners on 2 and 3 in scoring position. Sweet up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She fouls out, makes it 1 out. We got 1 out, runners on 2 and 3. That's hers up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She looks at it for a ball. 1 ball, no strikes, 1 out. That's hers up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She bunts it down 1. Foul ball. We got 1 ball, 1 strike, 1 out. Runners on 2 and 3. CBR is up 2-0. Pitcher pitches. Ball gets to the outside. 2 balls, 1 strike, 1 out. Ball is called. We got bases loaded. Playmakers of the kick looking to make a play. CBR looking to bust the game open. They're up 2-0, only 1 out. Bases are loaded. Bases are loaded. Pitcher pitches. Ball gets to the outside for ball 1. Pitcher pitches. Strike is called. Even the count. 1 and 1. 1 ball, 1 strike, 1 out. Bases loaded. CBR is up 2-0. Top of the first. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It's up in the air. Ball is bobbled. Runner come in. Goal with two errors started off, and CBR is capitalizing. We got Magic coming in. Scored 3-0. Only 1 out. Pitcher pitching. Pitcher pitches. Ball's called too high. On 3 balls, we looking at a double walk. Still looking at one out. Pitcher pitches. Ball comes in for a strike. She kicks it, but it goes foul. No balls, 2 strikes. 1 out. CBR's up 5-0. Still 1 out. Pitches. Butt down 3. She fouls out. Foul number 2. We got 2 outs. They back at the top of the lineup. Baby Sniper is kicking. She's working with 2 outs. Got her runners on 2 and 3. Ball cuts in on a spin for strike 1. Working with 2 outs. Got runners in scoring position. Pitcher pitches. She busts it. It hugs the line. It stays in. That's bases loaded. Fuego is up the kick, working with a 5-0 lead, 2 outs. Pitcher. Ball catches the corner for strike 1. No balls, 1 strike, 2 outs. Bases loaded, 5-0 ball game. She kicks it real hard, but it goes foul. That makes it no balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. Pitcher pitches. Ball skips to the outside for ball 1. That's 1 ball, 2 strikes, 2 out. Bases loaded. CBR's up 5-0. Pitcher pitches. Kicks it real hard, but it goes foul. Foul number 3. We got the bottom of the first. Playmaker is on the mound for CBR. First pitch came in for a strike. We got Mystique leading off for Gold. Gold is down 5-0, bottom of the first. Playmaker pitcher. Pitcher pitches. She busts it down 1. Ball goes foul. Kiki with those wheels. She got that brace on, but she moved. We got no balls, 2 strikes, no out. Steve leading off. Bottom of the first. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It drops. Made it in safe. Playmaker used to play basketball, but I don't know what the ups was on that play. We got a run on 1. Make some shape is in the second spot. Pitcher pitches. It goes a little bit to the outside. Ball 1. She has a run on 1. No outs. Pitcher pitches. She busts it down 3. Ball goes foul. Even the count at 1 ball, 1 strike, no outs. We got a run on 1. Gold looking to chop away at that 5-point deficit. Still the bottom of the first, got a lot of ball to play. Pitcher pitches. She busts it down 3. Charger gets it. Shoots it over the 1. Out is called. She rounds second. Aggressive base run, Mystique rolling. Makes it over to 3. We got a runner in scoring position. Only 1 out. T-Baby's up the kick. Pitcher pitches. Comes in for a strike. We got no balls, 1 strike. 1 out, running scoring position at 3. Gold looking to chop away at the 5-point deficit. Pitcher pitches. She bunts it. Ball goes foul. No balls, 2 strikes, 1 out. Runner in scoring position. T-Bay was up to kick. Pitcher pitches. She gets on top of it. Caught by Fuego. Quick reflexes out the catcher position. We got Tweed up the kick. She's in the 4th spot. Got a run on 3. Pitcher pitches. Ball comes in nasty for a strike. Respect from the coaches. He went on an intentional walk. For those who don't know, if it's 1 strike in intentional walk, the run only gets 1 base. But if he did it with no strikes, that would be a double walk. Step up is up the kick. She got runners on the corners, but it's 2 outs. Pitcher pitches. She looks at it, but it comes in for a strike. We got no balls, 1 strike, 2 outs. Runners on the corner. Bottom of the 1st. CBR is up 5-0. Pitcher pitches. Ball goes to the outside, even the count at 1-1. 1 ball, 1 strike, 2 outs. Runner in scoring position on 3. Step up, looking to step up. Pitcher pitches. She gets on top of it, goes down 3. Sniper gets it, shoots over the 1. Runner safe, runner scores from 3. Step up, stepping up. Gold chopping away at that deficit. Now the score is 5-1. Got Tudor up the kick. She got runners on 1 and 2, but she's working with 2 outs. Pitcher pitching. Ball comes in for a strike. No balls, 1 strikes, 2 out. Runners on 1 and 2. CBR is up 5-1. Pitcher pitches. She bunts it. Ball goes foul. No balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. Runners on 1 and 2. Pitcher pitches. She gets on top of it. Pitcher gets it, shoots it to 1. In time for out number 3.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Branch Outreach Center would like to thank our sponsor, Tamar Sexual Abuse Support Group, for providing a safe space spiritually, relationally, and emotionally for men and women affected by sexual abuse. Manna Food Truck, so good it must be sent from heaven. Satisfy your hunger by supporting the Manna Food Truck. Their support adds an extra dash of flavor to Zenith Athletics. Momentum Recovery Therapy, committed to providing expert care with a dedication to wellness. Thank you, Momentum Recovery, for helping athletes stay at the top of their game.
Want to shout out to our sponsor.
We're at the top of the 2nd. CBR's up 5-0. The ball kicks it down first. Pitcher gets it, shoot over the 1. In time. We're at the top of the 2nd. We got Snipers up the kick. She got nobody on. She busts it straight to the pitcher. Pitcher gets it, shoots over the 1. In time. Out number. Bobbert is called. Correction, Bobbert is called. Runner is saved. Sweet is up the kick. She's working with 1 out. Got a runner on 1. Conversation between the refs, he still called safe. Sweet Sweet is up the kick. She's working with one out, one-on-one. Pitcher pitches. Ball outside for ball one. One ball, no strikes, one out. Pitcher pitches. Sweet Sweet get on top of it. Pitcher gets it. Shoots over the one. In time. Ball is thrown over the three. I think a couple years ago, Sniper would have been on three. She said she chilling now. Yeah, y'all got to get me in. I ain't finna hurt myself. I got to go to work tomorrow. That's hers up the kick, working with 2 outs, but she does have a run in scoring position. Pitcher pitches. Ball catches the corner for strike one. No ball, one strike. That's hers up the kick. Ball gets to the outside for ball one. One ball, one strike. 2 outs. Pitcher pitches. Ball gets to the outside. 2 balls, 1 strike, 2 outs. Run on second. CBR with a 5-1 lead. She pitches. There's her looks at it. Even the count, some got to give. 2 balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. For a count, something has to happen right here. Got to run on second. Pitcher pitches. She boosts it. It's in the air. They call for it. Makes the catch. Foul number 3.
Hasta la vista, baby.
We're at the bottom of the second. Gold. Niels is up to kick for goal. She busts it. Sniper gets it. Shoots over the one. Bobbled is called. Bobbled is called. Got a meeting of the minds between the refs. For goal, Gigi is up to kick. CBR with a 5-1 lead. It's the bottom of the second. Run on one with no outs. Pitcher pitches. She looks at it, but it comes in for a strike. No balls, 1 strike, no outs. Run on one. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. Caught. Shot over the one. Double play. We got 2 outs. Silent Storm up the kick. We can at least get on base right here. Pitcher pitches. She busts it straight ahead. Sniper gets it. Shoots it over the one. In time for out number 3. She need to go.
Branch Outreach would like to thank our sponsors, Go Get It Foundation, for empowering the underdogs and providing Zenith with valuable NFL connections. Their support promotes resilience and proves that all players have the potential to go get it. Clumsy Photography, thank you for catching all Zenith highlights. Clumsy Photography specializes in portraits and sports photography. They are always there to capture every memorable play. Lastly, we want to thank Inspired by Grace for personalized statement-making apparel. Choose our sponsor, Inspired by Grace.
Here we go. We're at the top of the third. CBR playmaker coming up to kick. Been pitching a great game so far. 5-1 lead. She busts it. Mills gets it. Shoots it over the one. Not in time. Magic is up the kick. No outs. Got a run on one. Pitcher pitches. Looks at it, but it comes in for a strike. We're at the top of the third. CBR is up 5-1. Magic is up the kick. Pitcher pitches. Ball gets to the outside. We got 1 ball, 1 strike. No outs. Run on one. Pitcher pitches. She busts it, but it goes foul. Makes it 1 ball, 2 strikes. No outs. One ball, 2 strikes, no outs. Run on one. Magic is up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She busts it. It goes foul. Foul number 1. We got Black Mamba at the bottom of the lineup coming up the kick. She busts it down 1. Catcher gets it. Double play by Make Some Shake.
Boom shakalaka.
Gold need to have a different attitude now. Coming in, the bottom of the third, we halfway through it. CBR is up 5-1. They call her spicy. Look at her hair, black and gold. Trying to scoop somebody's son. Spicy is up the kick. Bottom of the third, CBR is up 5-1. Double play made the ending by Gold. Looking to bring some fire. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It's in the air. They call for it. Catch is made by Black Mamba. Foul number 1. Phoenix comes up the kick. Bottom of the lineup for Gold. Working with 1 out, nobody's on. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. They call for it. Catch is made. Foul number 2. Mystique coming up the kick. She's working with 2 outs. Nobody on. Looking to get on base. CBR is up 5-1. Timeout is called by the ref. Looking to at least get on base right here. Pitcher pitches. Came in nasty for a strike. No ball, 1 strike. 2 outs, nobody on. CBR with a 5-1 lead. Pitcher pitches. Little to the outside, came in the back door. 1 ball, 1 strike, 2 outs, nobody on. Steaky's up the kick, pitcher pitches. She looks at it, but it came in for a strike. 1 ball, 2 strikes, 2 outs, nobody on. CBR is up 5-1, bottom of the third. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it up in the air. Called out, made in foul territory. Foul number 3.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Branch Outreach would like to thank our sponsor, New Breed Works, for empowering student athletes with the necessary tools to excel on and off the field. With their support, our league drives towards greatness. Elite Sisterhood, we want to thank you for helping Zenith stand above the rest. Ovation Electrical. Ovation Electrical is dedicated to powering Zenith to new heights. Thank you all for supporting Branch Outreach Center.
We're at the top of the 4th. Baby Sniper leading off. CBR has a 5-1 lead. Who is pitching for Gold? She pitches. She busts it. Inside Charger gets it. Shoot over the 1. Not in time. Fuego is up the kick. working with a run-on-one. She busted down 3. Foul ball. Working with no outs, run-on-1. CBR is up 5-1. At top of the 4th. Pitcher pitches. No balls, 2 strikes. Pitcher settled down. She pitches. Tap. Throw to 1. Is caught. Shoots it over. Hold a run at 2. Good relay. 1 out. Bomb is coming up to kick. Working with 1 out. Run on second. 5-1 lead. Pitcher pitches. She looks at it, but it's still a strike. No balls, 1 strike, 1 out. Pitcher pitches. Ball skips in back door for a ball. 1 ball, 1 strike, 1 out. Pitcher pitches. She busts it straight ahead. Overthrow at 1. She turns 3. Runner scores. CBR 6, goal 1. We got to run in scoring position. Pitcher pitches on the 1 out. She gets down on it. They get it, shoot over to 1 in time for the second out, but she does advance the runner. Sweet is up the kick. She's working with 2 outs, run on 3. Pitcher pitches. Ball comes in for a strike. Nasty spin on it. 1 ball, 1 strike, 2 outs. Runner is on third. Pitcher pitches. She busts it straight to the pitcher. Pitcher gets it, shoots over the 1. In time for out number 3.
Hasta la vista, baby.
We're at the bottom of the 4th. If my mic was on, I was going to say, go, Kiki, go. Go, Kiki, go. She was trying to pop it. She probably used to go to Share Showcase back in the day. I'm not sure how old she is. Pitcher pitches. Shay hits it. Sniper gets it. Shoots over the 1. Not in time. T-Baby's up the kick. Run on 1, no outs. Pitcher pitches. Ball gets to the outside for ball 1. 1 ball, no strikes, no outs. CBR with a 6-1 lead. We're in the bottom of the 4th. 6 outs away from the ball game. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It drops. Play made at second. One out. We got a run on 1. Tweet up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It drops. She turns 2. Double. Run with a aggressive base running. Runners in score position. Step up is up to kick again. Only 1 out. Pitcher pitches. She looks at it, but it comes in for a strike. No balls, 1 strike, 1 out. Runners on 2 and 3. CBR is up 6-1. We're at the bottom of the 4th. 5 outs away from the ball game. She busts it, goes straight to the pitcher. Pitcher gets it, holds, shoots it over the one in time. Runner does score. It's out number 2. Score is now 6-2. CBR is still up. Tuda is up the kick. She's working with 2 outs, running in scoring position. She busts it, but the ball goes foul. No balls, 1 strike, 2 outs, run on 3. CBR is up. 6-2 in the bottom of the 4th. Pitcher pitches. She gets on top of it. Foul ball hits the catcher in foul territory. No balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. Tune is up the kick for goal, working with 2 outs, 2 strikes. She gets on top of it. Ball is touching foul territory. If fair ball is called, I apologize. Mills comes up the kick, working with 2 outs, got runners on the corners. Scores 6-4 CBR. Ball goes to the outside. We got runners on the corners. Score 6-2 CBR. We're in the bottom of the 4th. Mills is up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It's up in the air. 2 out. They call for it. Drop it. She rounds second. Aggressive base running. Ron does score. Now score is 6-3. 6-3 with runners on 2 and 3. Gigi is up to kick for goal. She got runners in scoring position. She busts it down 3. Sniper gets it, shoots over the 1. Running safe. Running safe.
Boom, shakalaka.
Goal. Bring it back. 6-5. 6-5. They're working it back in. The score is now 6-5. We still in the bottom of the 4th. We're at the bottom of the 4th. We got ourselves a ball game. Silent Storm is up the kick. She married the photographer, so she might have more pictures today. He might not let her make it into the house if he don't take her picture. We got 2 outs. Bases are time run. Is that second? She busts it down to the pitcher. Pitcher gets it, shoots over the 1. In time for out number 3. We're at the top of the 5. We got us a ball game. CBR is up 6-5. That's her is up the kick. Goal looks to have the momentum right here. CBR is trying to add to the 1-point lead. Pitcher pitches. Ball gets to the outside. We got 1 ball, 1 strike, no outs. With the top of the 5th, score is 6-5 CBR. Pitcher pitches. She busts it. Pitcher gets it. Runs her down. We got one out. Playmakers up the kick. She's been pitching an awesome game. Looking to do something from the offensive side. Pitcher pitches. Ball goes to the outside for ball one. We got one ball, no strikes, one out. CBR's up 6-5. We at the top of the fifth. Pitcher pitches. She bunts it. Catcher catches in foul territory. That's a foul ball. We got one ball, two strikes, one out. Pitcher pitches. Count is even. 2 balls, 2 strikes. One out. Nobody on. Plate maker been doing great on defense, looking to do something offensively. She busts it. Inside charger gets it. Shoots over to 1. In time for out number 2.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Magic is up the kick. She's working with 2 outs, nobody on. Looking to at least get on base right here. Looks at the first one for strike 1. No balls, 1 strike, 2 outs, nobody on. CBR's up 6-5, top of the fifth. She kicks it. Catcher gets it. Shoots over to 1. In time. 3 up, 3 down. CBR 3 outs away from the ball game. Goal. 2 runs away from the ball game. Here we go. We're in the bottom of the fifth. CBR is 3 outs away from the ball game. The goal is 2 runs away from the ball game. The score is 6-5. Game of the week, week 3. Ain't no overtime. Some got to give. Here we go. Spices up the kick for goal. Pitcher kick. She kicks it. It goes foul. No balls, 1 strike, no outs. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It's up in the air. They call for it. Out made. CBR is 2 outs away. Score is 6-5. Phoenix up the kick for goal. They're looking to at least get on base right here. She represents the time run, or she could kick a home run. Here we go. She busts it. Oh, catch made by the pitcher. Foul number 2. We are 1 out away from the ball game, but we're at the top of the lineup for goal. They're looking to rally on 2. Score 6-5. Bottom of the fifth. Pitcher pitches. Ball hits the corner for a strike. No balls, 1 strike, 2 outs, nobody on. Sneak up the kick. Pitcher pitches. She kicks it. It's up in the air. They call for it. Out made. Ball game. CBR with a 6-5 lead. Win today. These 2 teams can easily see each other again as we get ready to go into divisional play. Great game, ladies.
Again, we would like to thank our branch outreach sponsors, Manna Food Truck, Tamar Sexual Abuse Support Group, Momentum Recovery Therapy, Go Get It Foundation, Crumsy Photography, Inspired by Grace, Ovation Electrical, New Breed Works, Elite Sisterhood, A+ Landscaping, the National Football League, Leaving a Legacy. We thank you for your sponsorship. We are also now enrolling teams for Zena's Summer Kickball and participants for Tamar Sexual Abuse Support Group. Head over to branchoutreach.org to register. Thank you all for tuning in to our Game of the Week.